Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is two pattern forming. That from 2012 to 2020, this is the pattern created, U pattern. The same pattern is created here from 2020 to 2022. After that, these are the resistance from where we have seen it came down after touching this particular zone. Okay, and now what we seen, a swing has formed at a level of $13. Okay, and it has already made a high of around $1794.52, and if that level sustain, a probability of moving further upside will be there. Okay, now suppose if the price, before we move forward and explain you where the gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1768, and if the price move up that level, 1768 is a resistance which is already a weak resistance, so chances will be high that we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of touching 1785 will be there. 1785 is again being tested here and already a week, so chances are high we can see it can move further upside, and a probability of 1799.34. okay, and once this probability of moving further upside, because as you can see, this is the range where the price of gold was moving for quite some time, and once if the price comes in this zone, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching $1808 to a level of 1815. okay, and once the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1853, and from there we can see it can from 1853 towards a level of 1876 also, and then further upside. Then the trend will turn into a cup pattern. A probability of moving further upside will be there. Okay, but understand something, once the price sustain above a level of 1879 or a level of 1990, understand something, if the price sustain above a level of 1879, the probability of moving further upside will be on a higher side, and then the trend for gold will move upside, and from there it can go and touch a level of around 1914, which is on a higher probability. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain, swing form at this particular level, because as we can see a red candle forming for this particular week. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1750, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1745. Once the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1733, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1728. Once the price move below that particular level, then it can touch a level of $1698, and from there we can see it can come down towards a level of around 1679. okay, and once the price move below that particular level, then chances are very high it can move towards a level of 1662 to a level of $1653. Once the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1639. Once the price move below 1639, then ability of touching 1613 will be there, and this 1613 is already a weak support, so chances are high we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching 1610 will be there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1594, and then further down if the price didn't sustain this level. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.